Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Doordash Top Customer. Doordash has always been building up these programs for drivers to accept more orders and complete them in a timely manner. And now what may be the closest thing to a nonsense point on the platform is the Top Customer program, because Top Dasher was working so poorly that Top Customer is now necessary. So in this video, we are talking about everything you must know about the Top Customer program, what they are saying versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market dependent, and what applies to me in my market may not apply to you. Quick notes before starting. According to the Doordash's website, there are no references to Top Customer from the driver side of the help pages, and just the customer side, where it is only referenced as Elite Customer. This seems to be in an effort to confuse drivers and not having official help pages, but this is the closest thing to what we have available to us. Also, if you're a customer wanting to learn more about the Elite Customer program, totally understand, but also understand the viewership I normally receive from this channel is from other gig workers and drivers, and there are some customers here and there, but not nearly as many. So if you are a customer, make sure you understand this yourself before pursuing, because you don't want to waste money when you don't have to. So with that said, let's get started. What is a Doordash Elite Customers? At Doordash, we love our customers, so we create a way to reward customers that love Doordash. Doordash Elite Customers are loyal customers whose favorite delivery app is Doordash. To recognize this loyalty, we go above and beyond for our elite customers. Wow, talk about a way to blow smoke up the customer's ass, huh? So instead of providing some loyalty points or discount programs, we decided to pretend to care more about these customers. A driver is not going to care about a customer more just because you put a little note about this being a top customer on the top of a order received page. Doordash Elite are those who hold a Chase Sapphire Reserve or Doordash Rewards credit card. Oh, so this is the real reason they are top customers. They have a certain credit card they pay $550 a year for, and they have a Dash Pass, meaning that they are paying more out of pocket on an annual basis, and they run deeper, so therefore they are top customers. That doesn't mean their pockets run deep, and if they have a Doordash credit card, that says a lot in itself. Also, wow. As a Doordash Elite customer, we show our appreciation for you with the following benefits. We reward our elite customers with support and benefits, such as a dedicated support channel, staffed with specially trained agents and shorter wait times. We will get you connected to our first available agent right away and ensure your needs are taken care of. Basically, the same staff that just does their job as opposed to giving you a hard time as they normally have been. Because in reality, they absolutely will. Why about instead you actually tell your people to do their goddamn job for everybody? Oh, so if I'm not paying you annually or paying Chase annually, I should be treated differently? You aren't going to do your job effectively? Is that what you're saying? I thought so. Monthly perks include promo codes to use at your favorite restaurants. I think they give this to you anyway regardless, or they will not be giving them out to everyone like they were before. That's pretty close to Doordash's MO, actually speaking. Instead of giving you an actual benefit, they make benefits they already have harder to receive. This is what they did to us with the scheduling program and the large order program. They just put a barrier on an already existing benefit. This is also what they did with Top Dasher. They put an acceptance rating minimum for Top Dasher. Like, I'm all for a level of exclusivity or making people put some skin in the game, but this is for customers, not for people who are in business for themselves. Early access to exclusive Doordash experiences and new product offerings. things. I honestly don't know what that means. I have never heard of a DoorDash experience in this way, so I can't comment. Many other exclusive rewards and offers. One thing I will give DoorDash credit for here is that they are always working on something. So if there are benefits in the future, they will let you know. How do I find out if I'm an elite customer? When you reach elite customer status, you will receive an email notifying you that you have reached elite status for the month. You will also see a banner in the app stating that you are an elite customer and enjoy benefits throughout the month. Oh my God, they really did rebrand Top Dasher into Top Customer. That is literally how it works. Like, be a good pay pig for us and we will reward you for it. That's hilarious. How do I become an elite customer? We reward our most loyal customers. You can achieve elite status by using DoorDash for all your food delivery needs. Making progress towards becoming an elite customer by exploring many other options such as grocery, retail, pet supplies, alcohol, and more. You could also become a DoorDash Elite by using your Chase Sapphire Reserve card to subscribe to Dash Pass. Look, I'm not going to pretend that the convenience of DoorDash isn't real for all parties involved, but damn, this is just a display of what is to come. Cheap customers. According to drivers online, the payouts for these orders are not that great. In fact, drivers have revealed that in a lot of cases that these customers are barely tipping at all. It actually makes a lot of sense because let's break down what a customer with this profile looks like. They have revolving debt, they subscribe to Dash Pass, they order frequently for convenience, which means money is either tight because they're paying those premiums or they need to write off for business purposes and they can't write off a tip. These kind of customers are great for volume, but not for us. DoorDash's new strategy? I have kind of alluded to this earlier, but DoorDash's strategy is more orders over good orders, meaning they want as many orders coming through as possible regardless of financial status. This is why they started taking EBT and SNAP benefits. This is why they partnered with Klarna. This is why they're pushing customers to spend more if they are a Chase Sapphire Rewards card holder. And you have a Dash Pass that's also on there. You could stay a top customer. More orders means more money for DoorDash, but less tips for us. 1099 employee treatment. One of the TikTokers I found online made a good point about this. I think it's worth mentioning. Telling someone to treat another customer better because of the volume they bring is not something you tell a contractor. It is something you tell an employee. Keep in mind, as an independent contractor for a platform, you are free to accept and decline any order you want, and don't let messages persuade you into changing how you do business. Treat customers the same way regardless of how much money they bring to a company that isn't yours. That said, that is easier to apply if you're only accepting quality orders and not just any order that comes your way. And that becomes easier when you have a diversified gig portfolio and an exit strategy. Are you on as many platforms as possible, such as UberEats and Grubhub? Are you working on multiple verticals, such as grocery, catering, medical, and last mile logistics? What's your exit strategy? Remember, the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal. Are you building something that can produce income for you independent of your activity? Are you saving and investing your money properly? All of these things and more are things I constantly bring up in the Driven Wyld Discord server. The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I partnered with high-level professionals bringing some of the most exclusive benefits based on your personal needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings. More live streams with high-level professionals in our industry. Educational systems to help you build your own delivery service provider as well as other scalable opportunities. By the way, Driven Wyld kicked off its Build Your Own Delivery Service Provider course. We are changing the game and transforming how businesses serve customers and how gig workers get greater opportunities. So whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, and you would like to see something with growth potential and scalability, there is something here for you. Check the link in the description and get started on making the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.